How can I make sure my tests touch every line of my code base? I have a project about 10K lines big, and I'm trying to make sure everything is covered. I know that there are much more sophisticated considerations, but as a baseline, I was wondering if there was a way to get pytest to tell me how many lines, as a percentage of number of lines in the codebase, it accessed. For instance, it could notify me if in an if/else control structure, the tests only cover the true case, or if some function is never run at all. This is certainly biased towards big lumbering unit tests instead of small precise ones, but I would still find it handy at this stage. I imagine it is possible because tools such as the line_profiler can provide the information.
Coverage might be the tool you're looking for. Coverage.py measures code coverage, typically during test execution. It uses the code analysis tools and tracing hooks provided in the Python standard library to determine which lines are executable, and which have been executed. Coverage measures the lines you're covering and also help you identify pending lines. For example, in coverage documentation you can see the kind of report it generates.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.